Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a quick save and copying your save file. This prevents loss. Next, go straight to the Looking Glass console location on the Neuromod level and confirm you have the correct keycard. If the console lacks power, install 2 power cells in its bay. Once done, open the terminal interface and note any error messages. Those lines tell you what to repair next, so keep them visible while you proceed. Now you diagnose. Read the terminal logs and match error codes to missing modules. If firmware is corrupted, replace it with a known good copy from your inventory or reinstall the console module via the repair menu. Physically inspect wiring. Use the wrench to access the rear panel and receipt connectors, then replace any broken relays or fuses. Make sure to reapply power briefly to test each change. This isolates which fix actually cleared the fault. Finish by performing a full restart and running the console's self-check routine. Watch for green status lights and successful boot messages. If the problem persists, revert to your backup save and repeat the repair steps more methodically, or reinstall the console firmware after clearing cached config files. Make sure to test the console with a simple command to confirm responsiveness. If you still see errors, document the exact messages and try swapping any.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.